Welcome to the Geek Divers tutorial. In this episode, we'll see how to set up your price list and your trips. We go to Financial and Price List and Default Price List. We also need to click on Add New Item and we choose the type Trip. In this case, I will set up a trip that includes the diving. So it's a full package. I need to give it a name. In this case, I want to specify that the 2 dives are included. I can give an abbreviation and I can type a description detailing what's included in this price list item. Now I can write a price. The price will be inclusive of everything that I specify in the description. So for example, 90 euros. As we did for the other price list items, you can specify a VAT in percentage and define if it's included or it should be calculated on top. Because I included the diving here, I need to tick this checkbox. This way, a customer going diving with this price list item will not be charged for the trip and for the 2 dives. The customer will only be charged for this trip. I can also add additional items. For example, if you always go to a marine park when you take this price list item, you can automatically add a marine park fee. So you start typing in additional price list items field and Geek Divers will offer some suggestions. For example, the marine park fee that I was looking for. Here you will see the total price including the additional price list items. As we did for the other trip, the one that does not include the diving, you can always add packages. So we click on Add Package and we say this time that there's no discount before. So after how many times you offer a discount? Let's say 3. Add the new price after the customer used it 3 times. So it's no longer 90, but it's gonna be 80. Total price will be 80. Down here you will see a little summary table where you can see that the first time the customer will pay 90 plus any additional items, for example the marine park fee. The second time the customer will still pay 90. Starting from the 3rd time, the customer will pay 80. Don't forget to save your price list item and you will be redirected to the price list. Thank you for watching.